Hello and welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is slow, clear, and easy to follow for English learners. Anna just wants to finish her laundry after a long day at work, but suddenly her washing machine starts making strange noises. Then she finds water all over the floor. Now she feels tired, stressed, and worried about tomorrow morning. Can she solve the problem before her important meeting? Here is today's listening question. What time will the repair person come to Anna's apartment? Listen carefully. The answer is in the story. And when you know the answer, write it in the comments later. Writing your answer helps you practice English and remember the story better. Now, let's begin.
Oh no, not tonight.
Hey, Anna, is everything okay?
I don't think so.
I heard a strange sound.
Yeah, my washing machine is acting weird.
What happened?
It started making loud noises.
And now?
Now there's water all over the floor.
Seriously?
Yeah, look over there.
Oh, wow, that doesn't look good.
I was just trying to do laundry after work.
Sounds like a rough night already.
It really is.
Did the machine stop?
Yeah, it suddenly stopped a minute ago.
That's probably not a good sign.
Please don't say that.
Sorry, I'm just being honest.
I need those clothes for tomorrow morning.
Work clothes?
Yeah, I have an early meeting.
And the clothes are still inside?
Still inside and probably very wet.
Okay, let's take a look first.
You really don't mind helping?
Of course not.
Thanks. I'm just tired and stressed.
I get it. Apartment problems always happen at night.
Seriously, why is that true?
I don't know, but it always happens.
The floor is getting wetter.
Yeah, we should stop the leak first.
Good idea.
Do you have any towels?
Yeah, in the bathroom.
Grab a few.
Wow, this is such a mess.
Don't worry, we'll figure it out.
I hope so.
First, let's move the water away from the machine.
Okay.
Careful, the floor is slippery.
Yeah, I almost slipped.
See, slow down a little.
Thanks for coming over, by the way.
No problem.
So, do you think the machine is broken?
Honestly, I think something is definitely wrong. Okay, the floor looks a little better now.
Yeah, but there's still water near the machine.
Let me see the back of it.
Careful, there's not much space there.
Wow, yeah, this apartment is tiny.
Tell me about it.
I don't see a broken hose.
Is that good?
Maybe.
Maybe is not very comforting.
Fair point.
So, what should we do now?
First, unplug the machine.
Right, good idea.
Did it stop during the wash cycle?
Yeah, right in the middle.
And the water stayed inside?
I think so.
That could mean something is blocked.
Blocked where?
Maybe the drain.
Oh, great. That sounds expensive.
Not always. Sometimes it's simple.
I really hope you're right.
Do you hear that?
Hear what?
That dripping sound.
Oh, yeah.
The leak is still going slowly.
This night just keeps getting better.
Hey, at least it didn't happen tomorrow morning.
Honestly, that would be even worse.
Exactly.
My work clothes are probably soaked.
What kind of meeting do you have tomorrow?
A presentation with a new client.
Ah, so you really need those clothes.
Yeah, and I already planned everything tonight.
Laundry night?
Laundry, dinner, early sleep, normal adult things.
And now you're cleaning water off the floor instead.
Exactly.
Okay, let's check one more thing first.
What are you looking for?
Maybe the filter is dirty.
Wait, washing machines have filters?
Yep, most people forget about them.
That sounds like something I would forget.
Don't worry, almost everyone does.
So maybe the machine is not completely broken?
Maybe not.
Okay, that actually makes me feel a little better.
Okay, let's wait a minute before plugging it back in.
You really think that helps?
Sometimes electronics just need a reset.
I wish I could reset my whole day.
Honestly, same.
Today was so busy at work.
Bad meetings?
Too many meetings.
That's even worse.
And now this washing machine drama.
Apartment life is exciting sometimes.
This is not my kind of exciting.
Fair enough.
Okay, should we try now?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, plugging it in now.
Good.
Oh, wait.
What?
I hear something.
That sounds more normal now.
Really?
Yeah, the noise is softer.
Oh, wow. Maybe it's working again?
Maybe we got lucky.
Please be working. Please be working.
You sound emotionally attached to this machine.
I am emotionally attached to clean clothes.
That's fair.
Wait, I think it's moving again.
Yeah, I can hear the drum spinning.
Oh, thank goodness.
Looks like the water stopped leaking too.
Seriously?
I think so.
This is the best news I've heard all day.
Let's not celebrate too early.
Why would you say that?
Because old machines can be unpredictable.
Don't ruin this moment for me.
I'm just trying to be realistic.
Okay, wait.
What now?
Did you hear that sound?
Yeah.
That sounds worse than before.
Definitely worse.
Oh no.
And the machine stopped again.
You've got to be kidding me.
Yeah, I think you need a repair person.
I was afraid you were going to say that.
At least now we know it's probably not something simple.
That somehow does not make me feel better.
Sorry.
So what do I do now?
Let's call a repair service before it gets worse.
Hello, Lopez Appliance Repair. How can I help you today?
Hi, my washing machine stopped working tonight.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
It started making loud noises during the wash cycle.
Okay.
Then water started leaking onto the floor.
Is the machine still running now?
No, it stopped completely.
All right. Please don't use the machine again tonight.
Okay, I won't.
Did you unplug it already?
Yes, we unplugged it a few minutes ago.
Good.
We tried turning it back on once.
And what happened?
It worked for maybe 1 minute.
Then it stopped again?
Yeah, and the sound got worse.
That sounds like a drainage problem or motor issue.
Is that serious?
It depends. I'll need to inspect the machine first.
Okay,
Can I have your address, please?
sure. It's 148 River Street,
Apartment number?
apartment 503.
Sorry, did you say 305?
Oh, no, sorry, 503.
Got it. Apartment 503.
Right.
And what's your name?
Anna Brooks.
Thank you, Anna.
So, when can someone come?
Let me check the schedule.
Okay.
I have one opening tomorrow afternoon.
Tomorrow?
Yes, around 3 p.m.
Okay, that works.
Someone will call before arriving.
Perfect. Thank you.
One more thing.
Sure.
Try to keep the area around the machine dry tonight.
All right.
And don't run another wash cycle.
Definitely not.
Good choice.
Honestly, I don't trust that machine anymore.
I understand.
Thanks again for your help.
You're welcome. We'll see you tomorrow at 3 p.m.
Great. Have a good night.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Well, at least the repair person is coming tomorrow.
Yeah, that part makes me feel better.
But you still need clean clothes, right?
Unfortunately, yes.
How bad is it?
Pretty bad.
No backup clothes?
Not for this meeting.
Ah, important client?
Very important client.
And your clothes are still trapped inside the machine?
Yep, wet and trapped.
That sounds like a terrible movie title.
Honestly, this whole night feels like a bad movie.
Okay, I might have a solution.
Please tell me you own a magic washing machine.
Not exactly.
Then what?
My building has a laundry room downstairs.
Wait, really?
Yeah, and nobody uses it this late.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Jake, that's a lifesaver.
Happy to help.
I can't believe I forgot your building has laundry machines.
Most people forget until they need them.
Story of my life.
Do you want to grab the clothes from the machine first?
Yeah, I should probably rescue them.
Rescue them sounds dramatic.
These clothes are going through a lot tonight.
Fair enough.
Ugh, they're completely soaked.
At least they don't smell burnt.
Wow, the standards are low tonight.
We're just focusing on small wins now.
Honestly, I respect that.
Need help carrying the laundry bag?
Yes, please. It's heavier than I expected.
That's because the clothes are still full of water.
Right. Science.
Exactly.
You know, this night started terribly.
But now?
Now it feels a little less terrible.
I'll take that as progress.
Definitely progress.
Ready to go across the street?
Yeah, let's save my work clothes.
That machine sounds much healthier than yours.
Don't say that too loudly. Mine might hear you.
Honestly, your washing machine had a rough night.
We both had a rough night.
Fair point.
You know, this evening started so normally.
Right, you were just doing laundry after work.
Exactly.
Then suddenly there was water on the floor.
And that horrible noise from the machine.
Yeah, that sound was awful.
First, I thought maybe it was something small.
Then we unplugged the machine.
After that, we tried turning it on again.
For one beautiful minute, everything looked normal.
Honestly, I really believed it was fixed.
Me too.
Then the machine made that terrible sound again.
And stopped completely.
That was the moment I gave up hope.
But after that, you called the repair service.
Right.
And you handled the phone call really well.
Thanks.
You explained the problem clearly.
I guess I did.
And now the repair person is coming tomorrow at 3 p.m.
Yep. At least the situation is under control now.
That's what matters.
Honestly, apartment problems happen all the time, don't they?
All the time.
Last month, my kitchen light stopped working.
See, your apartment likes surprises.
I would love fewer surprises.
Understandable.
Still, tonight could have been much worse.
Definitely. Thanks again for helping me.
Of course. That's what neighbors are for.
Most people would not help this much at night.
Well, most people don't want water leaking into the hallway either.
Okay, fair point.
See? We both had good reasons to fix the problem.
I already feel a lot calmer now.
Good.
And at least my work clothes will finally be clean.
That client meeting is officially saved.
Thanks to you and your laundry room.
Happy to be part of the rescue mission.
You know what?
What?
This story is probably going to sound very funny tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yes.
Tonight, not so much.
Agreed.
Hey, at least things are better now.
Yeah, they really are.
And that was today's story from English Listening Stories. In the end, Anna still had a stressful night, but little by little, things became better. She called the repair service, found a way to wash her clothes, and felt much calmer at the end. Sometimes small problems can feel very big at first, but step by step, we can solve them. And you did a great job listening to this story in English today. Now, let's go back to the listening question. What time will the repair person come to Anna's apartment? If you know the answer, write it in the comments. Writing in English is a great way to practice. It also helps you remember new words and expressions longer. And if this story helped you relax and practice English, Please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more calm and easy English listening practice. If you would like to support the channel and help us create more stories, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you so much for listening with us today. Take care, keep practicing, and we'll see you again in the next story.